Hello everybody, my name is Gustavo, I'm Brazilian, I'm 27 and I have a BS in Industrial Engineering from USP, University of São Paulo. And currently I work as a logistics supervisor at 3M Brazil. Let's start at the beginning. I grew up in a small city in Minas Gerais, Brazil. I decided to drive all my efforts to get into one of the best university in Brazil, in an industrial engineering course, USP. Early to bed, early to rise, study, and I got it. In 2008, I began this journey. Moving forward to 2009 and 2011, I went to an exchange program where I expanded my borders. Those experiences gave me a completely different perspective. It's really different when you go to study or visiting than when you actually are working and living somewhere. I had the opportunity to work as a crew member at McDonald's at Gulfport, Mississippi, and 2 years later I was invited to come back as a store manager. And I can describe how challenging it was to lead 30 American employees. It was really great. Moving to 2012, when I worked as an intern at Johnson & Johnson Company. Those were my first steps in a multinational company. Worked as sourcing and external manufacturing department on packaging cost reduction projects. 2 years later, keeping in a internship program, at this time in a Brazilian company named as the Biatlante at Ribeirão Preto, a small city in the state of São Paulo. There, I worked as a process engineer intern on the manufacturing line, focused in lean projects and reduction cost projects too. In the end of the internship, I received the proposal to be effective as engineering coordinator, but I needed to refuse because the next challenge would be more than I dreamed of: become a trainee in a renamed company, 3M. For me, having chosen from among 1,800 candidates is meaningful. The training program is a program to recent graduated students in Brazil, and is the best way to get into a big company. I worked 1 year in the Six Sigma department on several projects in different areas as manufacturing, R&D, product launches, logistics, sourcing, and in the end of the program, I presented my 2 best projects and proved the results and methodology to receive the desired Green Belt certificate. The next step was in a new position, process engineer at 3M Distribution Center. I implemented several projects to reduce costs and improve productivity. Learning a lot of lean concepts and logistics, I decided to start a post-graduation course at Unicamp. I studied logistics and supply chain management for 18 months, and at the graduation celebration, my capstone project paper was chosen as the best of the class. As a pride, I received the support to get into MIT and do this another module of this post-graduation at next year. Okay, now let's go to the current moment. For me, the best until now. I was choosing to outsource 3M freight management and choose to implement a transportation management system. In the end of this project, I was promoted, and now I am a logistics supervisor at transportation area. I have 20 people on my team and $2 million per month of the freight account to manage. Now My mission is inspire my staff to make the best usage of their tools and skills to go deeper than before. Now I feel myself ready to face this new challenge in this important institute that is MIT, to learn and share experience, and in the end, grow up as a person and a professional. Thank you very much.